When you're starting a business, one thing a lot of schools or people don't teach you is managing your finances. This doesn't only have to be applicable for running your own business, but in general, knowing how to manage finances is super helpful. Lately, with the AI tools that are out there, this whole process can become a whole lot easier, giving you, a solopreneur, an entrepreneur, a startup, whatever it is, to minimize the amount of time spent bookkeeping and focusing on building the business itself. So in this video, I'll share 5 AI tools that are great for financing and accounting. I'm not sponsored by any of these tools. I simply want to help more people stay prepared for the future. And if you'd like to share this video out to more people to help in that journey, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to learn the building blocks for this age of AI. So the first tool on the list is Datarails. Datarails is a financial planning and analysis platform that's great for Excel users. The tool automates data consolidation, reporting, planning, and allows finance teams to really continue using existing Excel spreadsheets without having to forfeit it. They've also received a 4.7 score on Capterra and a 4.9 score on G2. You can do automated data consolidation to help streamline the gathering and unification of different financial data. Like I said, it seamlessly integrates and works together with Excel spreadsheets. They also have a budgeting and forecasting tool that helps to facilitate different and efficient financial planning. And they even have a customizable dashboard and reporting that helps to understand and tailor your reporting for specific needs. And don't worry, they also ensure data protection and regulatory compliance. The second tool is Booke.ai. They were backed by Alchemist Accelerator, and they're a member of Microsoft for Startups and Google for Startups program. It's a great AI tool for both desktop and mobile, and is meant to be helping you streamline your bookkeeping. The app is powered by GPT-4 and allows you to spend less time on doing everything manually yourself. And the platform also has a built-in client portal, which helps streamline communication between clients. You can automate your transaction categorization, which helps to increase efficiency just in general. They also have an AI-assisted reconciliation feature, which provides expert suggestions for reconciling different accounts. The tool is also integrated with other accounting services such as Xero, QuickBooks, Zoho Books. They also have an invoice and receipt OCR feature, which extracts data in real time from financial documents. And their error detection feature also helps to identify different discrepancies. And then there's Truewind.ai. Focused on empowering startups and small businesses with affordable services, this tool is great for financing and accounting, and it offers transparent accounting with the aid of AI. The service features faster monthly financial reporting, and it has access to certified public accountants for professional guidance. They've been featured on different major publications from Business Insider to New York Times, and they've been backed by Y Combinator and several other notable investors. You can streamline your bookkeeping process with their AI, but if you want, you can also opt into their concierge team to get more professional guidance. They integrate with a lot of other financial tech stacks. And in case you're feeling a bit lost, you can also receive ongoing CFL reports tailored to specific companies. And next on the list is Zeni.ai. It's designed and managed by accountants, CPAs, and finance professionals. It was created by and specifically for founders, and it's a useful tool that has supported 350 plus different startups, so it gives you access to a lot of important financial data 24/7. According to the site, a lot of founders and CFOs which have used their tool have saved up to 20% more time using their platform, making decisions 10 times faster. And the tool, like I said, is made for startups, so you need to spend less time doing bookkeeping and more time working on building your startup. They provide a dashboard that gives real-time financial data. It provides financial guidance with their whole CFO services. You can integrate with some of the best softwares out there with 9,000 different integrations, and you can customize it for your specific startup need. Now, the last tool on the list is Docyt. It simplifies bookkeeping tasks, it provides cloud-based collaboration, and it integrates with QuickBooks. It is designed for different businesses of different various sizes, and you can increase your efficiency using this tool to get real-time financial insights to aid decision-making. They've also been featured on several notable publications from Wall Street Journal to Bloomberg. And on top of that, several businesses have actually used them, which are quite notable, like Subway, Marriott Hotel, Hilton Hotels. Once again, they have a whole cloud-based collaboration feature, which allows you to use a tool remotely. They also have real-time financial reporting, which provides immediate access to financial data for analysis. They have multi-location accounting, which helps to manage finances across different business locations, and it can be integrated with QuickBooks. In the end, AI tools for financing and accounting helps to streamline operations. It helps to reduce costs. It can improve the accuracy of your bookkeeping, and it actually provides valuable insights as well. So there's no need to make the accounting task and process more complicated than it already is. Try to save more time and money by automating the repetitive stuff. And if you're a CEO or a founder, try to spend your brain power on the things that actually matter, such as high-level decision making. So there you have it. I hope these 5 tools helped. If you want to learn more about tools that are helpful for small businesses, make sure to check out the next video. And if you found any of these tools in this video useful, give us a thumbs up. It helps the channel out. Leave a comment down below if you'd like more tools to be featured or if you want me to dive deeper into a given tool. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more tips and tricks that help you navigate this new digital ocean of AI.